Hi, welcome to my ninth lecture series on time shifting of continuous time signals. In this, we are going to see signal we are shifting either right side or left side. Okay, so let us see the definition of this one. The time shifting of a continuous time signal x of t is performed by replacing the independent variable t by t minus k, or advanced and delaying of the signal in time. Okay, so let us see one example here. Find x of t minus 2 and x of t plus 2 for a given signal. So this signal, we know already mathematical equation for this signal. So simply wherever the t is there, it just replace t minus k. Like here t minus 2 is there, wherever the t is there, t minus 2 is replace. And for this problem, wherever the t is there, t plus 2 is replace. That's it. Okay, so let us see. We want t minus 2. So t minus 2, 0, t minus 2 less than 0, 1 for 0 less than t minus 2 less than 1, 2, 1 less than t minus 2 less than 2, 1 for 2 less than t minus 2 less than 3, 0, t minus 2 greater than 3. Let us solve this one. 0 is, if you send 2 here, t less than 2. This one 1, if you send 2 left side and right side, then 2 less than t less than, this will become a 1 plus 2, 3. Here 2, this will become a 3 less than t less than 4. 1 for this one is 4 less than t less than 5. This is 0 for t greater than 5. See, if you draw this one, t minus 2, whenever the t is less than 2, it is 0 only. Up to less than t, it is 0 only. Okay, from 2 to 3, it is 1. Okay, it is 1. And 3 to 4, it is 2. Okay, and 4 to 5, it is 1. And t is greater than 5, it is 0, completely 0. See, this signal is, we are delaying. Okay, we are shifted right side. Okay, we are delaying. Fine. So let us see if it is x of t plus 2. Same, wherever the t is there, just to replace t plus 2. Okay, 0, this is t plus 2 less than 0, and 1, 0 less than t plus 2 less than 1, 2, 1 less than t plus 2 less than 2, 1, 2 less than t plus 2 less than 3, 0, t plus 2 greater than 3. Okay, so let us solve this equation further. 0, t less than minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 less than t less than 1 minus 2 is minus 1, right? 2 minus 1 less than t and 0, this is, and 1, 0 less than t less than, this is 3 minus 2, 1, 0, t greater than 1. Okay, let us solve this one. It is 0 for up to t less than minus 2. Next, minus 2 to minus 1, it is 1. Minus 1 to 0, 2. This is 2. 0 to 1, it is 1. T greater than 1 is 0. So I am making this continuous signal. Okay. See, it is shifted left side. So it is advanced. It is delaying this signal. Let us see example 2. Graphical representation of this signal. Let us write mathematical equation of this one. X of t is, so here 2 points we have, comma 0 and 2 comma 2. Okay, so let us write equation for this. Here x-axis is t, y-axis is x of t. X of t minus 0, 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 0, t minus 0. X of t is t. This is valid only in between 0 to 2. For t is 0 to 2 only. So let us write x of t is 0 for t less than 0. It is 0 for t less than 0. And t 0 less than t less than 2 only. And this is constant signal 2 for 2 less than t less than 3 and 0 when t is greater than 3. If I want x of t minus 2 signal, how I am going to solve now? Wherever the t is there, you replace by t minus 2. That's it. Here 0 is there, 0. T minus 2 less than 0. T minus 2, 0 less than t minus 2 less than 2. 2, 2 less than t minus 2 less than 3. 0, t minus 2 greater than 3. So let us simplify this further. 0 for t less than 2, t minus 2, if you send 2 here, 2 less than t less than, here it become a 4. 2, here 4 less than t less than 5. 0 for t greater than 5. Let us draw this one. X of t minus 2, 0. So whenever the t is less than 2, it is 0 only. From 2 to 4, it is t minus 2 is valid. So t minus 2, how will you calculate? See, whenever the 2, if it's up to 2 here, it is 0. If it's up to 3, here it become a 1, right? If it's up to 4 here, it will become a 2. So this equation is 2 to 4 will reach, you need to stop. You cannot continue further because it is valid for 2 to 4 only. 2 to 4 only I have applied. Next 4 to 5, it is 2, constant. 4 to 5, it is constant. Okay. Next t greater than 5, it is a 0. See, this signal, same signal, we shifted right side. Okay. Can you try t plus 2? Let us see this example practically. So, in this, I am playing one video, famous power star Pawan Kalyan dialogue.
చూడప్ప సిద్ధప్ప, నేను మాట చెప్తాను. పనికి వస్తే ఏడనే వాడుకో, గుర్తుకొస్తే ఏడనైనా వాడుకో. నేను సింహం అంటానబ్బా, అది గడ్డం గీసుకోలేదు, నేను గీసుకోగలను, అంతే తేడా. మిగతాదంతా సేమ్ టు సేమ్. అయినా లాస్ట్ మంచి మంది అయితే దానికి వచ్చే కిక్కే వేరబ్బా.
This is 21 seconds dialogue. So in this, I am going to right shift the only dialogue. Okay, video I am not shifting, only dialogue 10 seconds only I am shifting right. So let us see how it will be.
చూడప్ప సిద్ధప్ప, నేను మాట చెప్తాను. పనికి వస్తే ఏడనే వాడుకో, గుర్తుకొస్తే ఏడనైనా వాడుకో. నేను సింహం అంటానబ్బా, అది గడ్డం గీసుకోలేదు, నేను గీసుకోగలను, అంతే తేడా. మిగతాదంతా సేమ్ టు సేమ్. అయినా లాస్ట్ మంచి మంది అయితే దానికి వచ్చే కిక్కే వేరబ్బా.
So only dialogue only shifted 10 seconds. Video is we kept as it is. So video completed early and dialogue is still continued even after video completed. So we audio only we shifted right side. So this time shifting of 10 seconds only we shifted to dialogue only we shifted. Thank you.